Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of the 2022 NASCAR Xfinity Series, a season filled with drama, excitement, and incredible racing. Whether you're a longtime NASCAR fan or just getting into the sport, stick around as we break down the highlights of the 2022 Xfinity Series season. The 2022 NASCAR Xfinity Series was the 41st season of the Xfinity Series, one of the most important levels of American stock car racing. The season began on February 19th at Daytona International Speedway and concluded on November 5th at Phoenix Raceway. It featured 33 races, bringing together some of the best up-and-coming drivers in NASCAR, as well as veterans looking to make their mark. One of the standout stories of the 2022 season was Ty Gibbs. Driving for Joe Gibbs Racing, Gibbs had an incredible year, winning 7 races, including the season finale at Phoenix, which secured him the 2022 Xfinity Series championship. This victory was especially sweet as it capped off an outstanding rookie season for the 20-year-old driver. Gibbs's success on the track was a major talking point of the season, but his journey to the championship wasn't easy. He faced stiff competition from veterans like Austin Hill, Noah Gragson, and Josh Berry, who all put up serious challenges for the title. The 2022 Xfinity Series followed a playoff format, which was crucial in determining who would make it to the final race for the championship. The playoffs were split into 4 rounds: the round of 12, round of 8, round of 4, and the final championship 4. Ty Gibbs, along with other strong contenders, advanced through each round, but there were plenty of moments of drama and rivalry along the way. The tension between Gibbs and other drivers like Noah Gragson was palpable, especially after a few on-track incidents that saw the two going head-to-head in some intense battles. Some races stood out throughout the season for their sheer unpredictability. One of the most memorable moments came at Talladega, where chaos erupted in the final laps of the race, leading to a thrilling finish. This is the kind of racing that defines the Xfinity Series: close, hard-nosed, and full of action. And let's not forget about the rising stars of the series like Austin Hill, who made a huge impact, winning multiple races and showing that he's ready to move up in the NASCAR world. Meanwhile, veterans like A.J. Allmendinger continued to prove their worth, securing consistent finishes and keeping fans on the edge of their seats. In the end, the 2022 NASCAR Xfinity Series will be remembered for the dominance of Ty Gibbs, the fierce rivalries, and the emerging talent that made the season unforgettable. With its mix of seasoned pros and fresh faces, the series remains one of the most exciting forms of motorsport in America. Ty Gibbs's win marked a significant milestone in his career, but it also signaled the rise of a new generation of drivers who will continue to shape the future of NASCAR. So that's it for today's breakdown of the 2022 NASCAR Xfinity Series. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on any of our NASCAR content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.